Hello everyone, this is Benson from TDER Industry. So today I'm going to introduce a machine that is 2.5 mini excavator. I'm going to introduce the digger in the front. You can transfer the digger to different attachments, such as tilting bucket, hydraulic hammer, rake, and so on. You can also choose hydraulic sump or mechanical sump. This machine can be made with cabin or without cabin. So this one is the roof. This one is the joystick, and this one is to move forward and backward. For this track, you can see it is a rubber corroder. Steel corroder is an option too. It can be designed as expandable track. This one also has 2 speed switches, fast and slow. We can have a look at the engine. This one engine is the Lidong engine. We also have Kubota engine for customers. Many European or American customers, they will choose it. These steps are controlling attachments, and sticks is to control the move and work. This is the lock of joystick. So this is brief introduction of 2.5 mini excavator. If you have more questions, please write us.